When it comes to drill, I get comments and emails all the time on viewers that are burning out their drills. And if you're doing this for an everyday job, mixing hundreds of bags a day, then yeah, you want to get one of these big heavy duty guys right here, one of these big heavy duty drills. But honestly, if you're a regular person like me, just doing the every day, every other day, every so often DIY thing, then an 18-volt drill and above is gonna do you just fine. And you don't need something super expensive like a Milwakee. I have been using a Milwakee. I've been using this for possibly 10 years now, and this hasn't failed me yet. But you can also use a cheap guy like this. Again, as long as it's 18 volts or higher, you're good to go. But the key here is, and I think that this is what everybody's skipping out on, is make sure that you turn this on to low speed, high torque. That's the main thing. Another tip, make sure you pour water in the bucket first to make mixing way easier. Now again, to prove a point, here's our inexpensive drill. Oh, I forgot to turn to low speed, high torque. Here's what happens when I put it on high speed. See, that's it. And eventually the battery is going to die very, very soon here. And that's it, it's dead. So again, low speed, high torque. You gotta do the Captain Morgan. Have some water on hand, and your drill's gonna do great. Oh, wondering what I'm pouring here? I guess you'll have to wait until the next video to find out.